1 in 6 children are suffering from child hunger in America. That includes 27,000 children in Prince George's County. Here at the North Laurel Community Center, Howard County is providing hot meals for any children under the age of 18 from June 25th to August 21st, from 12 to 1:30 p.m. No questions asked.
Sometimes it's good to go to where the kids are as opposed to having students come into your facilities like schools, because after all, they're there for 180 days in the year, and other than coming back for summer school, sometimes you need to go to where they're having their recreational activities, reaching out to them as opposed to them coming to you.
And the number of children who are unsure where their next meal will come from is rising. At FISH of Laurel on Gorman Road, a nightly soup kitchen and food pantry, they see hundreds of people throughout the week. Men, women, and even children. Stephanie Hammond says that she has seen the number of families and children grow.
The service has been constant over that period of time. I would say the pantry in particular, though, has grown. While we continue to provide nightly dinner service, we're now focusing a lot of our activities on the pantry services as well.
The pantry provides a bag of groceries for families to take home each week. It varies from canned goods, cereal, dried pasta, rice, and a variety of other foods to cover a family's nutritional needs.
In order to use our pantry, you have to actually live in Laurel. So all of these families have a place to live per se, but they don't have the additional income to provide the kind of meals and groceries that they need for their families, and so they come to places like Elizabeth House to help.
Food shortages not only affect the physical well-being of a child, but it can also have an impact on a child's mental health.
The concept around food and food insecurity really focuses a lot on the wellness of your body. So if you're eating and you're eating healthy foods and you're staying energetic, then you've got the energy that it needs to be able to find a job, to be able to do well in school, to be able to take care of your family. But you can't do any of that if your physical needs are not met with foods and the foods that you eat.
That's why Howard County is holding its free weekday lunch program to provide meals to any child, including children from the city of Laurel. Over the summer, they'll have 15 locations this year, an increase from 6 last year. They expanded because of the rising need to cover the nutritional gap between home and school.
We started very modestly, and every year since then we have been increasing at least 25%. This year we have set ourselves an internal target to serve no less than close to about 100,000 meals, right, to make that impact. There is a need, not only in Howard County, you will get the same response in PG County, to the PG County public school system, or Anne Arundel. This program here is quite expansive and is versatile, and we have to be agile. What I mean by that is we've got to change as situations change.
Food pantries like FISH of Laurel and public school systems like Howard County are working towards alleviating hunger for children and families alike. If you'd like to donate to FISH of Laurel, you can donate at 308 Gorman Road any day of the week from 4:30 to 5:30 p.m. or on Saturdays between 9:30 a.m. and noon. It only takes one drop of kindness to start a ripple effect for change. For Laurel TV, I'm Myleah Lofland.